So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will talk about Bitcoin dominance, BTC, and in the meantime Ethereum. And also guys, if you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. And guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. And if you guys want to join my premium subscriptions, guys, these are subscriptions for my premium Discord. You will send subscription amount to the wallet given right here, and you guys will be then you guys will send a screenshot to the owner of the Discord once you join my Discord, and you guys will be added in the premium Discord. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. You guys can exactly say this, guys. If you guys are following me up on Twitter and Discord, I called out this premium long. You guys remember I longed ETH right here, closed right here, Inter right here, and then I closed my 75% of ETH right here. I was expecting the price to push the price to the upside, but it failed again, and I closed my trade around right here. And then I told my members, you guys can exactly say this as I showed you. This was the area where I told my members to get into this third same setup again, full TP right hit again. Another false breakout, another dip to the downside. Very simple. If you talk about Ethereum, I will again wait for the same setup right here, 2620 all the way up to $2,570. This is a range where I will look for some sort of a scalp or whatever after looking for the reaction. If we talk about Bitcoin dominance, I also talk about Bitcoin dominance as well. Lower low, lower high, higher high. There is a break of structure, higher low has been formed, and we are definitely going for this another higher high above this area that is basically sitting at 61.5%. Going above that is another higher high, then another higher low, higher high, whatever, to fill this imbalance, which is definitely going to be creating a lot of pain for altcoins, right? Now, if you talk about BTC, before that, let's talk about the liquidity. Liquidity is definitely sitting a good amount of liquidity, sitting around 99 to 100k. But you guys can exactly see this right here. We have almost 49 million dollars liquidity. But looking right here, going back to 94.5k. is where we are looking for our first bounce. I will talk about this later part of this video, but 51 million liquidations, and then right here 50 million liquidations. So the more liquidity sitting at the downside as compared to the upside. Now let's talk about Bitcoin right here. If we talk about Bitcoin, very important. Who knows this? Let me show you something. This is my premium Discord, and I called out this short setup long right here. This is my previous long on Bitcoin. I called out around 94.7k and it was missed. I can definitely show you right here. This is where my long was placed. My members knew this, and then the price went before triggering us. I will again same wait exactly within this area. Very important. I will wait for this trigger. As I told you, this is the same area. This is the liquidity. If we took this liquidity, maybe we left this liquidity and go for the higher prices. So we can definitely catch this liquidity area right here after the liquidations. Very important. If we lose that, we can definitely expect the price going all the way up to 93.5 to 93k, 94 to 93k. This would be your another zone. Very important. And if we lose that, the last zone we have is 92.6k to 95k. 92.5k to 92.6k, and your SL would be below this low invalidation, and this is your last hope for a bounce. So I give you three very important scalp zone for the higher prices. While if you talk about as simple, the liquidity, the lowest liquidity is sitting again at 93k. So simple as this. If we take this liquidity of the downside, the best thing can happen like this, taken out, and then add right here somehow, and then add more at this deviation, right? In the worst case scenario, we will tap into this area. My one limit order is sitting right here, one limit order is sitting right here. Invalidation will be closing below this area, and I think so this is a major move next to the upside. This is what I personally think, because we are ranging from February and nothing is making sense until here, and I hope so it makes sense to you guys, and I hope so this is the best thing and the best update you will see in this market. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to hit that notification bell icon, make sure to join my premium subscriptions. I have shared a lot of updates about the market right here. And to get into my Discord, guys, the link of my Discord is in the description. Join my Discord now. As always, until